welcome to Money Mondays, and in this video I'll be talking about 10 of the best ways that you can make money online for free. Now, more people want to know how they can use their computer, how they can use their phones and the internet as a tool for creating financial freedom. The dream of making money online without spending any of those precious resources such as your time and your money is something everyone thinks about. The good news is that it's possible to make money online without spending any money. You can start small and build up your income over time by following some tried and tested methods. And these methods, there are new methods coming into the market every single day. So today we'll look at 10 of the best ways to make money online, no cash needed from you to get up and running right away. Now, the first thing that we're going to be talking about today is virtual assistant services. If you want to make money online, you can become a virtual assistant. And if you have talent for organizing and planning, becoming a virtual assistant is an excellent way to make money online. A virtual assistant job involves performing various tasks from managing social media pages and replying to emails all the way through to making phone calls and taking phone calls on behalf of clients' businesses. As the number of solo-owned businesses has increased and it rises, demand for virtual assistants has skyrocketed. So if you're really good at organizing stuff, you might want to consider that as an option. You can get started as a virtual assistant by searching for jobs on websites such as Upwork and Fiverr. There are many other websites that you can also use. Number 2, online research services. Now, if you are skilled at using Google to find specific information, there is a wide range of opportunities for you to make money on the internet. You can search for information on behalf of clients and then send them a report that includes the results of your search. You can also get paid to find specific information using tools such as Google Keyword Planner, which provides data on how many people are searching for a particular keyword in that particular company's niche. Okay? Number 3, online tutor. If you have experience in teaching or tutoring students in person, let's for example, you're a teacher, why not consider sharing your knowledge online as well? There are numerous websites available where you can advertise your services as an English, math, science teacher, or whatever expertise you have. You can also earn money by tutoring individuals or groups either in person or online, and you can also teach them, you can help people who are preparing for standardized tests, as well as those who need help with homework and assignments. Simple, straightforward, doesn't cost you anything and make you a ton of money as well. You can become an audio and video transcription transcriber. That's number 4. If you have good listening skills and you have a good grasp of the English language, consider becoming an audio or video transcriptionist. You can work from home by simply uploading a recording to a website and editing that information as needed. Now, many companies require freelancers for transcription services, and they pay per minute. And this is a great way for you to earn money while doing something you enjoy. So to become successful as a transcriber, you will need to strengthen your typing skills. You have to have good typing skills and good listening skills as well. Your work has to be error-free and easy for clients who are often in different time zones than you to comprehend. Okay? Start by transcribing short videos, start by editing short videos, start by creating a portfolio of work for yourself that you can show to potential people who might need your services. Number 5, review websites and apps. That's another way for you to make money on the internet for free. Review websites for cash. There are so many different sites like Product Hunt and Lifehacker where they pay you to review new products and services, new websites and apps as well. Now, these sites are popular among tech-savvy individuals who are interested in the latest trends and want to share their opinions with others. Now, if you're not a techie, but you still enjoy technology, there are plenty of other sites that will pay you for your opinion. Okay? Number 6, join a high-ticket affiliate program. That's the one that I like, and that's the one I always recommend. If you have a website or a blog, or you enjoy writing about certain topics, consider joining a high-ticket affiliate program. These programs pay you to promote their products on your site, and the amount of money you make will depend on how many sales you make. So the best part is, once someone buys through one of your links, they stay, and for example, they buy that link and they stay with that client or that service provider for a long term, you will get a commission every single month, depending obviously on the agreements that you have with that affiliate. We at the CEO University, we have a complete high ticket affiliate marketing training where you will learn all the strategies and how you can create affiliate marketing in your business if you have a business, or how you can become a high ticket affiliate marketer and become very, very successful doing it. So that's one that I always recommend. Number 6, high ticket affiliate marketing. Now, number 7 is for you to launch a YouTube channel. Launch a YouTube channel. YouTube is the second most popular search engine after Google, and it's also the second largest website in the world. And if you want to make money, then YouTube, which you definitely should, you should definitely use it. It has a number of ways that you can make money from the use of YouTube. The most common way is through ad revenue. Now, when your videos go viral or you get a lot of views, Google will reward you with some extra cash in return for showing its ads on your video page. Does that make sense? So on your video, those ads that you see, you can make a commission from them as well. But if you want to make some serious money on YouTube, you need to create your own products and build an audience of people who are interested in what you have to say. So for example, you're watching this channel, you're interested in business and entrepreneurship. This is an audience, a community where we're building people who are interested in entrepreneurship and business. So a lot of YouTubers get paid by creating their own branded content, by having subscription services to their websites and access to premium content. So YouTube is really good. Number 8, podcasting. Podcasting is the newest form of creating content, and it's quickly becoming a very lucrative way to make money. Now, if you have an audience that is interested in what you have to say, starting a podcast can be a great way to monetize your time. You can charge for advertising space on your podcast or on your show, or you can sell products directly through your website. So when you have your show, you can tell people about your product and service, they'll buy from you. So podcasting really is a great way to make money online, and it's free to start. You can record a podcast on your phone, and you can use a free service like Audacity, or there's a ton of free services that you can use, okay? So podcasting is really great. Number 9, write ebooks. If you already have a following on social media or through maybe your website, writing an ebook is another way to make money on the internet. Thing is, you can sell your ebook on Amazon or Amazon Kindle, or you can create an account with ClickBank and sell it directly from your own website. Ebooks are a great way to make money online and can be really an effective way for bloggers to generate income. And you can use the ClickBank strategy to have affiliates help you sell your ebooks as well. And you can write about any topic that you want, but it's best that you focus on something that has the potential to be profitable, okay? And last but not the least, well, pretty much the last, is offer social media consultancy. Now, if you are good at understanding, if you have a good understanding of social media and you know how to generate a following, you know how to build people's social media profile, how to create social media strategies, then you may want to offer that service to other people, or you can teach other people how to become great at using social media. If you become a social media manager, a social media strategist, you can offer that service to other people and they will literally pay you. If you have 10,000 followers on your social media page, you can teach other people how I got 10,000 followers on Instagram, how I got 10,000 followers on Twitter, how I got 10,000 subscribers on YouTube. You can literally teach that to other people and people will pay you for what you know. And you literally learn that, right, with dedicating your time to understanding how to grow your social media. You take that knowledge and that information you have, you can monetize and sell that to other people for free, simply using your social media account. That's free, right? So if you think about it from that perspective, you can literally start making money online and it won't cost you anything. So these are just a few money-making ideas and tips that you could implement and start making money as soon as possible. And they are all relatively free. They don't really cost you anything. Okay? If you're using social media, use social media to your advantage and figure out ways that you can monetize what you put on social media. Now, if you're interested in learning how to grow a business, if you're interested in learning wealth creation strategies, if you're interested in learning how to start and launch an online business within 90 days or less, click the description below. I have a full training on the CEOuniversity.io where we show you exactly what you need to do to help you start and launch a business in 90 days or less. And I hope this has been of value to you. Every Monday, we'll be bringing to you on the CEO University Money Mondays, money making strategies and tips that hopefully will help you build your empire. Till next time, take care, stay blessed, and I'll see you soon.